Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question from algebra today, and this will be really useful if you are attempting any competitive exam of maths. So this is find all the values of x which satisfies this given equation. Okay, so basically we are using exponents here. So we can rewrite this equation. We can rewrite this as 4 raised to power x cube plus 5x square minus 6x is equals to 4 raised to power 0. Why? Because any number raised to power 0 gives us 1. So I'm writing 1 as 4 raised to power 0. Now, according to the rules of exponents, if we have a raised to power m equals to a raised to power n, and here we have bases as same, that is a, and powers are different. So if such a thing happens, the powers should be equal to each other. Then only both the sides of the equations are equal. Yes? So according to this, the power here on the left side and the power here on the right side should be same. Correct? These should be same. So I will get x cube plus 5x square minus 6x is equals to 0. And now I can take x common. We will get x square plus 5x, sorry for the handwriting, minus 6 is equals to 0. Now, if we go for middle term splitting for the second bracket, what we will get? We will get x, x square plus 6x minus x minus 6 is equals to 0. So we have splitted the middle term here, and we will get x plus 6 bracket x minus 1 is equals to 0. Correct. Now from here we can get three values of x. Either we will get x is equals to 0, or x plus 6 equals to 0, which will give us x as negative 6, or we will get x minus 1 equals to 0, which will give us x equals to positive 1. So we have three values here, x equals to 0, or x equals to negative 6, or x equals to positive 1. These are the three possible values of x which will satisfy the given equation. So these three are my answers. I hope you understood the solution well. If you understood it well, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.